back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a vlog, and I'm sorry I haven't posted a video. I didn't post a video yesterday because I had a lot of stuff going on, and I just wanted to say that. And I'm going to be riding my dirt bike today, so y'all can see me be doing that. That'll be pretty cool. So I'll get back to y'all when I start doing that because it's too early right now to ride it. So peace. Guys, we're just getting ready to go ride the four-wheeler, and we're just going to ride around so y'all can watch. Let's go. That is ready? Yeah, I'm ready. I have one hand going, so that's not going to stop me. I'll see y'all later. This is the end of the video. Remember to turn the post notifications on and subscribe and like. Bye.